Tornado warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in southeastern Okarche, Oklahoma. Northeastern Garfield County in southeastern Enid, Oklahoma. Northwestern Oklahoma County in southeastern Woodland Park, Bethany, Oklahoma. Until 1000 a.m. CDT at 927 a.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Oklahoma City, or 7 miles south of Enid, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard ... tornado. Source ... radar indicated rotation. Impact ... flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kingfisher around 9:35 a.m. CDT. Enid around 9:45 a.m. CDT. Ozark, Oklahoma City and Bethany around 9:50 a.m. CDT.